one, if the roots of the equation 1 by x plus t plus 1 by x plus q is equals to 1 by r are equal in magnitude, but opposite in sign, then show that p plus q is equals to 2r. So then show that p plus q is equal to 2r, and the product of the roots and the product of the roots is equal to minus 1 by 2 times p square plus q square. So this is the question. Solution. So given equation is 1 by x plus p plus 1 by x plus q is equals to 1 by r. So this implies x plus p into x plus q in denominator. Here x plus q plus x plus p is equals to 1 by r. So this implies this is 2x plus p plus q over this is x square plus px plus qx plus pq is equals to 1 by r. So if you cross multiply, then what you get? 2rx plus pr plus qr is equal to x square plus px plus qx plus pq. So this implies if you take out these left hand side terms to right hand side, then it becomes x square plus, if we take out x common from these two terms and this term, then what you get? This is p plus q minus 2r times x plus constant, that is pq minus pr minus qr is equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation. So if you compare this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a is equal to 1, that is leading coefficient, and b is equals to p plus q minus 2r, and constant c is equal to pq minus pr minus qr. Now in question it is given that the roots are in equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So roots are first equal in magnitude. Roots are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign means if one root is alpha, then another root must be minus alpha. The roots are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So if one root is alpha, then another root is minus alpha. From this one, what can we say? Sum of the roots is 0. Sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus minus alpha, which is equal to 0. So, but from this quadratic, what is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots of this quadratic is minus b by a. So here minus b is minus of this one, a is 1 only. So from this one, what can we say? This implies sum of the roots is what? Minus p plus q minus 2r by a, that is 1, is equal to 0. So from this one, if you remove the minus, p plus q minus 2r is equals to 0. That implies p plus q is equals to 2r. P plus q is equals to 2r. This is number 1. So first one, what we need to show, that p plus q is equal to r. Okay, this we have shown. So if roots are equal in magnitude, opposite is sign, then show that p plus q is equal to 2r. Yes, we are done. Next, the second part is what we need to show, product of the roots is equal to this one, minus 1 by 2 times p square plus q square. So product of the roots is equals to what? C by A. Here, what is C? C is equal to this one. A is 1. So this is the product of the roots. So product of the roots. The second one is sum of the roots is over. Now product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to C by A. C is PQ minus PR minus PR. PQ minus PR minus PR. That is equal to PQ minus of P R if you take out common, R into P plus. So this is the product of the roots. But from first one, what is R? R is equals to P plus Q by 2. You substitute this R here. Then what you get? This is equals to PQ minus P plus Q by 2 into P plus. So this is equals to 2PQ minus of what is this? P plus Q whole square, that is P square plus 2PQ minus Q square. If you open the bracket, then this will be minus P square minus 2PQ minus Q square over 2. You get this one. So if you cancel this minus 2PQ plus 2PQ, then what you get? And minus take out common. Then what you get? Minus of P square plus Q square by 2. So the product of the roots is equal to what? Minus of P square plus Q square. That is the second one. Yes, the product of the roots is minus 1 by 2 times P square plus Q square. This is the solution for first question. Next question is, show that if P comma Q comma R and S are real numbers, and PR is greater than 4 times Q plus S, then at least one of the equations x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, comma x square plus rx plus s is equal to 0 as real roots. This is the question. So, solution. So, first quadratic is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. This is the first one. And the second one is x square plus rx plus s is equal to 0. So, these are the two given quadratics. So, find the discriminant of this quadratic, that is delta 1 is equal to p square minus 4q. Discriminant of the second quadratic is delta 2 r square minus 4s. Now, what we need to prove? So we have to prove that at least one of these two equations has real roots. That is our requirement. So now we'll solve this question by method of contradiction. So our requirement is what? We have to prove at least one of these two equations has real roots. So to prove by method of contradiction, what I do is, if possible, let the statement be wrong. That is, none of the equations has real roots. We will assume that one. So let us assume none of the equations has real roots. So if possible, if possible, let the statement be wrong. Then none of the equations uh, 1 and 2 has real roots. So if none of the equations has real roots, means this discriminant is less than 0. At the same time, the second discriminant is also less than 0. That implies delta 1 is less than 0, and at the same time delta 2 is also less than 0. So delta 1 is less than 0, delta 2 is less than 0, means delta 1 plus delta 2 must be less than 0. Sum of the determinants. Two determinants summation is also less than 0. So now delta, what is delta 1? Delta 1 is p square minus 4q plus what is delta 2? R square minus 4s. So this implies p square plus r square minus 4 times q plus s. So, but in question, it is given that. So this one PR 4 times q plus s is less than PR. 4 times q plus s is less than PR. So this is the given thing, that is 4 times q plus s is less than. So if you replace this 4 times q plus s with PR, see here we have not written less than 0, less than 0, less than 0. Yes. Now if you replace this 4 times q plus s with PR, then also this p square plus r square minus PR will be less than 0. So because we are replacing this quantity with greater than this one, so this implies p square. This r square can be written as r square by 4 plus 3r square by 4 minus PR is less than 0. What I have done, I replace this r square with r square by 4 plus 3r square, because r square plus 3r square, 4r square by 4, that is nothing but r square. Next, what you do is you club these three terms, that is p square and r square. You club these three terms, p square plus r square by 4 and minus PR. So now what you do is, if you club these three terms, that implies that is p square plus minus PR plus r square by 4 plus 3r square by 4 is less than 0. Now what you do is you write down this thing as this is p square minus 2 times p times you write down this one r by 2. Will I write here? This PR can be written as 2 times p into r by 2. 2 to cancel again PR plus r square by 2 plus 3r square by 4 is less than 0. Now if you observe this one, so it's a perfect square. That implies p minus r by 2. So this is p minus r by 2 whole square. This is plus 3r square by 4 is less than 0. Yes, sir. It's a perfect square. So this is p minus r by 2 whole square is this one. So this is not possible because this is non-negative quantity. This is also non-negative quantity. Therefore, this is never be less than 0. Yes, sir. ఈ సంథింగ్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ సంథింగ్ స్క్వేర్ ఇట్స్ అ పాజిటివ్ క్వాంటిటీ. ఇది ఎప్పుడు నెగిటివ్ అవుతుందా, లెస్ దెన్ జీరో అవుతుందా? నో, నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది, దిస్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ జీరో అని వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. వై వి గాట్ దిస్ positive quantity is less than zero, non-negative quantity less than zero? Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Let the statement be wrong. అంటే ఏంటి, 192 has real, because this never be true, should have real roots. True. Therefore this is not possible. Not possible. Therefore our supposition or our assumption, that what is to be proved, our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. It's proved. Next question. Solve the inequalities. Solve the inequalities. X square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, comma x minus x square plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So this is the question. First, consider the first inequality, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. If you solve this inequality, if you factorize, it is x minus 1 into x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 means x never lie between the roots. X lies outside the roots. X lies outside the root means x is less than or equal to 1, comma x is greater than or equal to 2. So you can write this thing as x belongs to minus infinity to 1, union 2 to infinity. So this is the solution for first inequation. So give this number 1. Number 2, second inequation, that is x minus x square plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. If you take out minus common and cancel out, then what you get, x square minus x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. This implies here, if you factorize it, this is x plus 1 into x minus 2 is less than or equal to 0. So now here x lies between the roots. Here, that is x lies between the roots. That is x belongs to minus 1 comma 2. So this is second. Now the question is, what solve these inequalities? So this one and this one. So from 1 comma 2, set of solutions of the given system of inequalities will be first one intersection, second. Therefore solution of the system, solution of given system of inequalities will be, means the values of x which satisfies the first inequation and second inequation will be first one intersection second. So how to find first one intersection second one? You draw both the solutions on the number line. That is first one, if you put on number line, that is minus infinity to here 1 closed interval, that's why you put field circle. Next this is 2 is also allowed, therefore 2 to infinity. So this one is the minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. This is the solution for first one. The second one is what? -1 to 2. So here -1. So what is this? This is 2. So -1 to 2. The second solution is what? So from here to here, including -1, including 2. From here to here. So now the intersection of 1 and 2 will be. What is the common part here? Common part is from -1 to 1, closed interval, union, just singleton set 2, only 2 from here. So the final solution is, therefore final answer is what? Therefore final answer is closed -1 to 1, union, singleton set 2. So this is the answer. So these are the values of x which satisfies both the inequalities. Find the maximum and minimum values of maximum minimum values of x square plus 14x plus 9 over x square plus 2x plus 3, where x belongs to real numbers. So this is the question. Solution. So now what you do is, let the given expression is y is equals to x square plus 14x plus 9 over x square plus 2x plus 3. The next step, what you do is, if you observe the numerator and denominator, can you express numerator in terms of the denominator? Yes, you can express, because here x square common is there. Here 14x can be written as 2x plus 12x. This 9 can be written as 3 plus 6. So next what you do is, in next step, you write down this is x square. 14x can be written as 2x plus 12x. This 9 can be written as 3 plus 6 over denominator as it is, x square plus 2x plus 3. Now see, if you observe the numerator and denominator, this x square plus 2x plus 12, sorry, x square plus 2x plus 3, this part, x square plus 2x plus 3, this x square plus 2x plus 3 is same. So now this can be written as x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 12x plus 6 over x square plus 2x plus 3. Now we separate it. Now this is equal to, if you separate it, it will be 1 plus 6, take out comma, 6 into 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 over, no sorry, 2x plus 1 over x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is our y. Now what you do is, so actually this is 1 plus, this y is equals to 1 plus 6 times 2x plus 1 over x square plus 2x plus 3. Now what I do is, now our job is to find, what is the question? Find the maximum and minimum value of this expression. So maximum minimum value of this expression is same as the maximum minimum value of this expression. అంతే లేదా? ఇదైతే కాన్స్టెంట్, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్. సో మాక్సిమం మినిమం వాల్యూస్ దీన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. వీటి అవసరం లేదు ఇప్పుడు మాక్సిమం మినిమం ఫైండ్ అవుట్. సో ఫర్ ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ కన్వీనియన్స్, వాట్ ఐ డూ ఇస్, ఐ విల్ టేక్ దిస్ సపరేట్లీ, ఈ పార్ట్ తీసుకుంటా. I will calculate the maximum minimum value of this expression. I will put here. దీని maximum value some alpha వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. Maximum value of y ఏమవుతుంది? 1 plus 6 alpha. The minimum value of this one is suppose beta. Minimum value of y is 1 plus 6 beta. Like that. That's why I will take this out. I will calculate separately. So ఇది separate issue. It is separate. Now what I do is I will let the name code some y1 అనుకుందాం. Let y1 is equals to 2x plus 1 over x square plus 2x plus 3. Now our job is to find the maximum and minimum values of this expression. So how to find the maximum minimum value of this rational expression? Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, then what you get? Y1 x square plus 2y1x plus 3y1 is equals to 2x plus 1. By rearranging terms, you write down this as a quadratic in x. Then what you get? Y1 x square plus 2y1 minus 2 times x plus 3y1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So here x is a real number. In question, it is given that x belongs to R. X is a real number. If x is a quadratic, therefore, since x is a real number, for this quadratic, roots are x. That the roots are real numbers. Therefore, discriminant is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Since roots of this quadratic are real. So discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. Here b is 2y1 minus 2 whole square minus 4. A is 1. Constant c is 3y1 minus 1. This must be greater than. So here 2, if you take out common, this is 4 into y1 minus 1 whole square minus 4y1 times 3y1 minus 1 is greater. So 4 take out common and cancel out and expand this y1 minus 1 whole square. Therefore, y1 square plus 1 minus 2y1 minus, if you open this bracket, 3y1 square minus minus plus y1 is greater than. So this implies here minus 2y1 square minus 2y1 plus y1, that is minus y1 plus 1 is greater than. So if you take out minus common and cancel out, inequality changes. Therefore, 2y1 square plus y1 minus 1 is less than or equal. So if you factorize it, then what you get? This is 2y1 square plus 2y1 minus y1 minus 1 is less than or equal. That implies 2y1 common. Therefore, 2y1 into y1 plus 1 minus take out common y1 plus 1 is less than or equal. So this implies 2y1 minus 1 into y1 plus 1 is less than or equal. So here y1 lies between the roots. So here roots are minus 1 comma 1 by 2. Therefore, minus 1 is less than or equal to y1 is less than or equal to 1 by 2. So we got this one. This is the range of y1. That is what we got. Minimum value of y1 is minus 1. Maximum value of y1 is 1 by 2. But our requirement is what? Minimum maximum value of not y1, but y. For y, minimum value we need. So now what you do is, so if you see, this is equals to 1 plus what we have taken. We have taken this as y1. We consider this as y1. So this is equals to y is equal to 1 plus 6y1. So we need to find the minimum maximum value of what? 1 plus 6y1. That is our original given function. Yes, sir. మనకు y maximum minimum value కావాలి. కాబట్టి y అంటే ఏంటి? 1 plus 6y1 maximum minimum values కావాలి. y1 maximum minimum values వచ్చాయి. So now, so 6y1. First 6y1 కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Since now minus 1 is less than or equal to y1 is less than or equal to 1 by 2. 6y1 రావాలంటే ఏంటి? Multiply throughout with 6. Positive number to multiply inequality doesn't changes. So this becomes 3. Now 6y1 ఇంకేం కావాలి? 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 1 plus 6y1 is our y. 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే అవుతుంది minus 5 is less than or equal to 1 plus 6y1 is less than or equal to 4. So what is this one? This is y. Therefore, minus 5 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 4. So, y minimum is equal to what? Minus 5. And y maximum is equal to 4 is the answer. Final answer is what? Y minimum is minus 5. Y maximum is 4. So, this is our final answer. Solve square root of 2x plus 7 plus square root of 3x minus 18 is equal to square root of 7x plus 7. So we need to solve this equation. So in this given equation, each term contains radical sign, that is square root. So only without squaring on both sides, we cannot solve it. First, square on both sides and solve the problem. So first step is square on both sides. If you square on both sides, then what you get? Here a plus b whole square, that is 2x plus 7 plus 3x minus 18, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 times root 2x plus 7 into root 3x minus 18 is equals to 7x plus 1. The square on both sides, we got this one. So this implies 2x plus 3x, 5x, minus 18 plus 7, that is minus 11, plus 2 times 2x plus 7 into 3x minus 18 is equals to 7x plus 1. So next what you do is you take out this 5x and 11x this side. You keep this 2 into under root 2x plus 7 and under root 3x minus 18 left hand side. Then what you get? This implies 2 times under root 2x plus 7 into 3x minus 18 is equal to 7x minus 5, 2x minus 11 plus 1, that is 12. So this is equals to, here 2 take out common and cancel with these 2. Then what you get? 2x plus 7, 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 6. Now again square on both sides. To remove these radical signs, again square on both sides. Again, if you square on both sides, then what you get? 2x plus 7 into 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 6 whole square. The left hand side, if you open the bracket, then what you get? 6x square, 36x, 21x. So here 18 7 times. 18 7 times. What is 18 7 times? 126, correct? No?
Yes, sir, 126.
Yeah. So minus 126 is equal to x square plus 36 plus 12x. So this implies, now you take out this total thing this side, 6x square minus x square, that is 5x square. So here minus 36, 21. Minus 36, 21 is what? 5, 15, minus 15. Minus 15, if you take out this 12 right hand side, minus 12. Minus 15, minus 12. That is minus 27. That is minus 27x. Minus 27x. Yeah, minus 126, 36. That is minus 126 minus 36. That is minus 162. Okay, na? Is 5x square minus 45x plus 18 plus 18x minus 162 equal to 0. Yes. So minus 44 plus 18 is minus 27. Minus 45 into 18 is minus 162 into 2. What is that?
810, sir.
810. 810 is 45 into 80. Yes. So now this implies you take out 5x common from first two terms, then what you get? 9, sorry, x minus 9 plus 18 take out common, x minus 9 is equals to 0. Yes. So this implies again x minus 9 you take out common. Therefore, x minus 9 into 5x plus 18 equal to 0. That implies we got two values for x. One is x equal to 18 or x equal to minus 18 by 5. But here, if you put x equal to 9 in given equation, if you put x equal to 9 in given equation, it satisfies. But if you substitute x equal to minus 18 by 5, you check. If you put x equal to minus 18 by 5 in this given equation, it doesn't satisfy. So, only solution is x equal to 9. You check by substituting. So, x equal to 9 is the only solution. I will not solve that one. The algebra part lengthy. You check it out. Okay. So, x equal to 9 is the only solution. So, x equal to minus 18 is not a solution. So, this solution is called as extraneous solution. Why we got extraneous solution? ఎప్పుడు extraneous solution వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది మనకంటే ఏదైనా ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు వెన్ యూ సాల్వింగ్ ఎనీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇఫ్ యూ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎక్స్ట్రా సొల్యూషన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రానియస్ సొల్యూషన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఎందుకంటే స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేసిన మనం డొమైన్ మార్చేస్తాం డొమైన్ మార్చేస్తాం కాబట్టి అప్పుడు మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలి వెన్ యూ సాల్వ్ బై స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ దెన్ టు check it out whether our solutions which we get satisfies the original equation or not. Check చేయాలి ఎప్పుడైనా స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేసి రూట్లు తీసేసినప్పుడు. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి x ఈక్వల్ టు 9 సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, x ఈక్వల్ టు minus 18 by 5 సాటిస్ఫై. సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఓన్లీ ద సొల్యూషన్ ఇస్ x ఈక్వల్ టు minus 9. x ఈక్వల్ టు minus 18 by 5 not a solution. That is called as extraneous solution. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎందుకంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీనికి ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు సపోజ్ ఏ అని తీసుకోండి, కన్సిడర్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ. నౌ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్, దీని స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ చేస్తే వాట్ యూ గెట్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో దిస్ ఇంప్లాయిస్ దీన్ని మళ్ళీ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ పెడితే ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్, ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్. సో ఇట్ నుండి ఇటు రావడం కరెక్టే ఉంది. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్. కానీ ఇటు నుండి ఇటు వెళ్తే ఇది ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ దీన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందా? నో, ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ని సాటిస్ఫై. సి ఏమొచ్చిన సొల్యూషన్స్ యూ గాట్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ అండ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది, ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ, ఎస్ ఇట్స్ సొల్యూషన్. బట్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఏ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ మైనస్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ, దిస్ ఇస్ రాంగ్. దట్స్ వై దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ వాట్ extraneous solution. Why you got extraneous solution? We squared on both sides. Okay na?